Hello again. Here we find each other to a new video of the series Let's Get Down to Business in Romania. So, are you looking to a country in which you want to develop a profitable business in Europe? Because in Europe we are talking about. You should take a close look to Romania, especially due to the favorable business environment. This is due to the tax system, which is really beneficial for entrepreneurs and for developing new businesses, but also the favorable geographical system and its economical continuously growing. So stay tuned and let's find how and why you should open a company here in Romania in 2023. The main question is who can open a company here in Romania? First of all, the company can be opened by anyone. When I mean anyone, it's truly anyone from no matter where he is. But there are some conditions that you need to respect. First of all, you need to be over 18 years old. That means that if you are in the beginning of the business environment and you are 16, for example, you cannot do the business here in Romania. You need to have 18 years old, to be 18 years old. You can provide a clean criminal record from the police. There is not accepted a person who has some criminal facts in their criminal record. And also you need to see if you are mentally healthy, let's say. Yeah, it's not something that you should provide a document or something, but it's just a condition. If you are an expat, you can also open a company here in Romania, but you just need to provide us the national ID, passport, and the residency address of yours, and that would be all. So these are the main categories that can open a company here in Romania. Now let's see how you can register the company here. In order to form a company here in Romania, first of all, you need to decide what type of company you will open. If it's SRL, PFA, and SA and other types of businesses. The most common here in Romania is the SRL because it has a lot of advantages connected with and it's a little bit easier to work with. So if you decide for an SRL, here are the steps that you need to follow in order to set up the business. First of all, decide the name of the SRL, how it will be called. Decide the fields of activity that you will have in there, what you want to do basically. To see the headquarters address, because we need an address here in Romania and we may help you with this. For example, if you want the address to a lawyer's office, you can do it to the lawyer's office, but it will be only valid 1 year. We may have other type of address and we can help you with that as well. Decide if you will start the business on your own or if you are co-opt other business partners, depending on also on what type of activity and what you need or want to do further. Decide of the amount of the share capital. The share capital is that amount that should be put in the company and let there and not be taken, let's say. After all this established, now the next step is to actually do the article of incorporation of the company, and with that submit all the papers to the trade register. The procedure is quite simple because it can be done online, but not simple in the manner of the documents. It's simple in the manner of how many days and how you should and how quickly they will answer to you. For example, to set up a SRL, you need only 3-5 days maximum to receive the papers from the trade register. So it's quite simply, it's 100% online. You have no travels to do, you have no businesses to, you have no other things to do here. After the business is set up, you have like a bonus. You need to find an accountant who will take care of all your company's businesses. You need to open a bank account, and after that all is set up. You may start all and everything, and you may make some money. Let's see what are the benefits of setting up a company here in Romania. First of all, even if the legislation is continually changing, there are a lot of benefits if you want to open a company here in Romania. First, you have only 1% tax on all your incomes up to the ceiling of 500,000 euro, which is almost nothing. Very low tax on dividends, which is 8%, also really low. High qualified professional, a lot of money for accessing European funds. For example, if you want to invest as a startup in a new business and you want to receive the money from the government, it can be done. Non-prepayment VAT or income tax, affordable accounting and specialist, and a lot more. Taking all this into consideration, you should not be surprised why all the big companies set up a branch here in Romania. So come, be aligned with all the big companies and make a business here in Romania. We'll be waiting for you. We are in 2023. The legislation changed a little bit. I know that we are a little bit late with this video, but still, latest is the better, because we know how everything works. Let's see what are the tax rates here in Romania. First of all, this year we have 1% tax on income up to the ceiling of 500,000 euro. What is really important is not to have as an activity field consultancy. When I mean consultancy, I mean on only kind codes which are related to or have on their name consultancy, like management and consulting, kind code 7022. Another major changing is that 3% is not available anymore, so you forget it. Another tax system that we have, a tax percentage, is 16% for the companies that are above 500,000 euro. For all these companies, there is this limit, 16% on the profit. Profit means income minus expenses. What is the withholding tax? Because everybody wants to take out the money, the withholding tax here in Romania is 8%. So, to all the income, all the dividends that you want to take, you just have to pay this 8%, and you can transfer to your own account every 3 months, because this is another important thing and aspect. The legislation changed, and you can withdraw all this money every 3 months. You don't have to wait 1 year to withdraw all your money. Another tax that is important for you is the VAT. Usually the VAT here in Romania is 19%, but you don't have to pay VAT, for example, if you invoice clients from Europe or if you invoice clients from outside Europe. This will not be affected. This will not affect your business. It's only for companies that will invoice clients from Romania. So you should not pay so much attention to it, because I believe that your clients will not be especially from Romania. Now, what is important as an employer? because there are some taxes that you need to pay as an employer for all your employees. The first tax is tax on income for the employee, which is 10%. To this, you should add the social contributions, which are 35%, 10% health insurance, and 25% pension. To all this, you have a tax also as an employer, which is 2.25%, and that would be all. Now, the minimum salary, because all the taxes for employees are related to the minimum salary. Now, in 2023, the minimum salary in Romania is 3,000 RON. So let's take an example. From 3,000 RON, you have to pay more or less 1,800 RON as a net salary, and the difference are taxes. So 1,200 RON are taxes. These are approximately, I will let you the exact figure only when in the link below, or when we will talk and see which is exactly the figures. As a business owner or a business investor in a company here in Romania, these are the main and the major taxes that you should take a close look to, because it's really important to know how to create your business model and how to develop your business and to be attentive to the cash flow and so on. This having been said, all that matters is for you to book a consultation with us if you want to know much further details. It's important to speak with us if you want to be sure that what you are doing is the best choice for you. And what we can do, it's in the end, I think that the most important thing is to come here, to open your business and to benefit for this amazing fiscal regime that we have, which is the lowest in Europe, in which you can develop a good and a great business. Let's get down to business here in Romania. I'll be waiting for you.